The video discusses the importance of understanding your partner's love language and how to work with it. It highlights that everyone gives and receives love differently, and a thoughtful presence can be the most meaningful thing for one person. A small touch may feel stronger than 1,000 words to another. Love language can be expressed through words of affirmation, quality time, acts of service, and physical touch. Words of affirmation involve expressing your feelings, such as compliments, or expressing appreciation for a meal or activity. Quality time is about spending quality time together, and it doesn't have to be expensive or special. To work with this love language, reserve spaces in your schedule for your partner, such as having a cup of coffee together in the morning, planning a date once a week, or taking a walk together after work. Gifting gifts is another important aspect of love language. For many partners, giving gifts represents the feelings of the gift giver, while a thoughtful and specific gift shows how strong your feelings are and that you've been paying attention. Keep a running list of gift ideas and keep track throughout the year. Remember, it's not about the price, but about the effort put into it. Acts of service involve doing small favors for your partner, such as making breakfast or writing notes. Active service is anything that makes your partner's life easier, such as doing dishes or cooking meals when they're stressed. The message that counts to your partner is like saying, "I love you." Go out of your way to help your partner, and they will always feel loved. Physical touch is also important in social situations. A hug, kiss, or light touch on the arm can show that you notice and care about your partner. Intentionally touching your partner can help work with this love language. Giving them a hug or kiss before work, holding their hand when sitting together, or touching their arm or leg while talking can all embody the love you have to give. In summary, understanding your partner's love language and working with it can help you communicate your love and support in a more meaningful way. By expressing your love through words of affirmation, quality time, acts of service, and physical touch, you can create a deeper connection and strengthen your relationship. Subscribe to @PsycheBytes708 and turn on notifications.